Hello, my name is Dr. Edward Omron. What if the best treatment for a 65-year-old with chronic diseases is not a handful of medicines and multiple procedures, but a personalized regimen of treatment started when he or she was 35 years old? Today I would like to talk to you about why longevity medicine is the future of healthcare. What is the difference between longevity medicine and conventional medicine, and why does it matter? Conventional medicine addresses crisis care exceptionally well, like stroke, heart attack, and broken bones. When it comes to chronic diseases, conventional medicine fails miserably. The unifying factor is that the damage is already done at the cellular level. They are attempting to salvage an already irreversibly damaged system. Longevity medicine is a completely different approach to healthcare. The strategy is to prevent the onset of age-related chronic diseases both internally and externally. By external, I am referring to the outward appearance of chronic disease we recognize as aging. In my clinic, we preserve the whole body, both at the cellular and organ level. Every time your body acquires damage at the cellular level, internal organ and external changes in your appearance happens. This process of aging is preventable in 2025 if you start personalized treatment early. What are the aging changes that are amenable to longevity medicine? External appearance, not just the face, but the whole body. Loss of endurance, strength, and muscle mass. Loss of skin texture, vitality, and fullness. Loss of bone mass. Loss of cognition and mental acuity. Loss of sexual drive and sleep quality. 20 years ago, longevity medicine was considered a pseudoscience and treatments were snake oil. However, in 2025, we now have a tome of evidence-based studies to base these recommendations on for personalized and directed health benefits. Longevity medicine is not just for the ultra-rich or powerful. Longevity interventions are now available to everyone in my clinic. We also provide a comprehensive list of aesthetic treatments by skilled professionals. I have been doing clinical medicine for 31 years and personal anti-aging treatments for 10 years continuously. I've come to realize some deeper truths regarding these treatments. Number 1, these treatments really do work. Number 2, the treatments require 6 to 12 months of continuous therapy before any realizable benefit can be demonstrated, and should be personalized on the individual's unique physiology. Number 3, age reversal in humans is not possible in 2025. Research claiming age reversal typically refers to the reversal of biological age markers and the rejuvenation of multiple organ systems in worms, mice, and monkeys. Number 4, the human body renews itself every day. How does it do that? We have stem cells in every organ, and over the course of time, the stem cells become damaged, depleted, leading to what we call aging. If you preserve the stem cells and keep them healthy, the body will regenerate. We can keep you at a particular biologic age for an extended period of time. That's what we're offering in my clinic. I started my treatments at the age of 50. In hindsight, I wish I started when I was 30. Initiate these treatments as soon as possible to achieve the greatest benefits. This is a profound and fundamental truth. You can exercise, eat well, live a low-stress life. You will still age and develop chronic diseases. Aging itself is the single greatest risk factor for the development of chronic diseases. Longevity medicine is the future of healthcare. These interventions are for everyone and are quite affordable. So please contact my clinic. We will arrange an interview either in person or by telemedicine. to discuss a comprehensive, personalized regimen of anti-aging interventions. I look forward to speaking with you, and thank you very much.